but they're probably related. Now, don't move on that creature. Just stay where you're at, or he'll be gone.
Look at him.
Oh, that's cute.
He'll be gone, and if you ever get this chance again in your life, you'll be lucky.
Well, we have them locked in our bathroom in Lake Tahoe. Pine Martin.
Is that right?
Yeah, we had to call them animal control to get them out.
Now
so
just
cute.
watch
They look
this.
like a me.
Watch this guy. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and he's a young one. He's a baby. I had one come in the visitor center at Apgar one January. Now, Martin. Now, he eats squirrels. And, quite obviously, cookies and animal crackers. Now, just don't move on that guy or he'll be gone. Stay where you're at. And just let him do his thing if you want the best show in the world. And the first one I have ever seen on this lake in 50 years.
Wow.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh.
I thought you were pointing at one of those guys and calling him a weasel.
Is that the bird chirping or is that the pine Martin making the noise? That little chirping noise.
He's coming at us if you don't move.
Well, here you go.
Now just let him come. Don't move. Stand still. Stand still.
Oh, wow.
Now, I'm telling you, if you don't think this is going to cost you,
He just found a piece
Now,
of
don't-
pretzel.
don't move.
Look
Nobody-
at his ears.
This
Hey,
is
baby.
a first-time experience,
Hey,
baby.
and people never get this guy. You live your lifetime.
I don't know. I think he knows that this flew around that has been dropped.
The visitor center and do the same thing. But what a $1 million experience to see this little guy.
$1 million video.
And you,
So Mama's not too far then. Mama must be around somewhere, huh?
he's probably going to be on his own.
Okay.
Now, if you move on him, he'll go away.
I think it's not a bear cub.
Look at his
He
ears.
looks skinny, doesn't he? But he's a little guy.
He wants that pretzel that's underneath your foot.
Your left foot still has some pretzels under it. Yeah, he was trying to get that piece.
Look at that.
Oh, there's more.